journey. Talk to us about that first shot and उससे भी पहले that first time when you got to know that you will be working with icon star Allu Arjun sir.
First of all, may I just welcome all of you here. Thank you so much for joining us. Good evening to all of you. I hope you've all eaten well and I hope you're enjoying this event. Thank you for being a part of it. And yes, पहले तो कहाँ से शुरू करूँ मैं? Okay. First, I'll start off from I think the first shot you asked me about. I remember the first shot was in Pushpa 1 Shrivalli's song. There's this paper, this thing when I'm pouring that milk and all of that. I think that was the first day, and I was so nervous meeting Allu Arjun sir for the first day. I was like, now how do I react to sir? Okay, sir, like he's been a superstar for such a long time, so I was like, okay, now I don't know how to react, I don't know how to behave and all of that, but that was the first day, that was the first interaction. But today, standing here in front of sir, just his family, his home, so the 5 years journey has been so different with a lot of emotional right, I should say. But today here we are, and he's always going to be super special. So
You've met these eminent journalists, a couple of times, of course, in the past too. But when you're standing here for Pushpa 2, the rule, after 16 December 2021, that was the first time you'd come here, and we welcomed you. So now, how does it feel?
A lot's changed, that's for sure. लेकिन जब भी ना मैं फिल्म शुरू के लिए आ रही थी मुंबई के लिए, I used to just be asked one question, कि when is Pushpa 2 releasing? And today, with all of my heart and all of my confidence and all of my excitement, I can proudly announce that we're finally coming to you on December 5th.
Here with us on this stage, of course, I would want you to welcome everyone. Then we have a surprise for you on the big screen, sir. So, you want to do that first?
Namaskar. Kasakai Mumbai. Good evening, each and every one of you. Thank you all for being here. First thing, I want to thank the media for covering this event. Thank you. And today that I'm here, I would like to first thank my producers, Maitri Reddy. Thank you so much. This movie is not possible without you, without your support. We've been shooting this film, part 1 and part 2, for almost 4.5 years. And there's no way we could have done this without your support. Thank you, Ravi Garu, once again. Thank you, Naveen Garu, and thank you, Cherry Garu. Thank you, Maitri Movies, for trusting us. And today, for the last so many years, I always loved Bhushan Ji so much because he's brought in so much music to this country. He's brought in so much joy into people's lives. Bhushan Ji, it's a pleasure to see you here. For the longest time, for many years, I used to think that my albums have to get released on a platform like T-Series, because that's got the biggest reach. And today, when that actually happened for Pushpa, it filled my heart with a lot of joy. I never got an opportunity to tell you that. Thank you so much. And Anil Ji, thank you so much for distributing this movie. I particularly wanted to tell you this, that in the whole of South, we all found out how's it to work with you. And each and every single person had said such nice things about you. It's nice that you have such a lovely reputation all over the country. Whoever we call, everybody said great things about you. It's an absolute pleasure to be working with someone like you. Thank you so much for putting this film on the highest pedestal. Thank you. Here, the 21st film, and we've made many films together. There is no way I will be standing on the stage without his support. And it is he who has made me a star. Undoubtedly, I keep telling this even in my hometown. If there is one man who has made the biggest difference in my life, even in the end of my life, when I look back, who's that one person who changed the entire course of your life? It would be none other than my director Sukumaran Garu. Darling, I really miss you. You know, he's such a phenomenal director and he cares so much for the audience that his absence today speaks about his work. You know, because it's such a big thing to be here today in Mumbai, you know, showcase your film to the national media. But still he's sitting there trying to make small changes for the local copy and trying to make small betterments, maybe a little here, maybe a little there. He's trying to give you the best. Believe me and him, we only thought, we not even for a second did we think how much money are we going to make, how much are we going to make out of this film. We, him, me, the artists, my producers, the entire crew, all of us have dwelled for 5 years. Gentlemen, in our life, prime 5 years, we have dedicated for this movie to give the audience the best, especially Pushpa 2. We've given 3 years of our lives to give you the best product possible, and I hope it all touches your heart. And he's still doing the work. I have lost my voice. I just need to dub 1-2 small corrections, but I need to rest tonight and I'll get back home and I'll dub that and I'll give you the best possible. We want to give, you know, I consider an audience as God. And when you give God, there is no limitation of anything. You should try to give the best of your abilities, and we try to do our best of our abilities to give you the best we can. And thank you. Yes. In the last. And in this film, honestly, when we're doing this film, there's only one thought. We have made this film called Pushpa. We made a film, but it is you who has made it a phenomenon. It is not our greatness, it is your greatness. I'd like to thank all the audience for making this such a big phenomenon. You made this film, it is not my greatness. With utmost humility, I would like to say that you made this film as the biggest film in Indian film industry. You know, this film is going to release in 12,000 plus screens worldwide. This is the biggest film. The last 3 consecutive years, this film has been standing as the #1 most awaited film. Thank you, India. Thank you, Pushpa fans all over the world. Thank you so much for putting us on the highest pedestal. And it is my absolute honor and it's my absolute joy that 12,500 screens worldwide in 6 different languages. People from every state, people from every language, you know, every Indian from all over the world and every part of the world are going to come together for one celebration, and that celebration is Pushpa 2. And it is my absolute honor, and we want to give you the best. You know, the whole India comes together worldwide to celebrate one film, and that film is our film. It is my absolute, how do I say, no words. I think instead of putting in words, I would say just please watch the film and what we have done for you and how, you know, how much love we have shown for you. Thank you so much. Chala mandi Telugu unnatunnaru. A lot of people from and yes, thank you, my dear fans. I love my fans. You know, they're like my family. They fight for me. They stand by me. They celebrate me. You know, they stand for me like an army, and that's why, you know, on a sweet note, I always call them my army. Thank you, my army. I love you all. I love you all. I will make you all proud. I will make you all proud. If this film becomes a big hit, I will dedicate this film to all my fans. This film is releasing December 5th worldwide, more than 12,500 screens, which is the highest for any Indian film ever. So thank you for giving this honor. It is not our greatness. With utmost humility, I would like to say this is not our mine, who's a common friend, Mr. Director Harish Chandra, who is a common friend for Director Sukumaran Garu and me. He said, "Sir, you know, the name Flower sounds very soft for a mass hero. Why don't you come up with a powerful name?" And I addressed this issue to my director, saying, you know, he's saying that, you know, let's not give the title logo alone, because there will be a lot of discussion about the logo, discussion about the title. That's when he said, no, it's good that you told me, let's not give the name by itself, let us give it with a picture. Let's, you know, you become so rough, and let's give a let's give a look which is quite shocking. So when they see a rough guy with a soft name, it will really set the contrast. And that picture lit the entire expectations for Pushpa from that day onwards till this day. From that poster to this day, expectations of Pushpa has never come down. So that picture is like the seed for everything.
Can we have the next one?
Is this during our national award? Yeah, I think this is after the success of Pushpa 1. Yeah, we hugged each other after the success of Pushpa 1. So you'll always be a very special person in my life, or one of the most special people in my life. So it's a priceless moment.
Next. Can we have?
The National Award.
The moment, of course.
It is my absolute honor. And I can tell everybody this, that when I was doing Pushpa 1, I requested Sukumar Garu that, I really want to try to win the Best Actor award. I've won Best Actor many times, but I also want to take the bar to a next level, so that we should give a quality that maybe we can try for a national award. I really wanted to try for a national award, and I told him that, and he promised me. He said, I will do my best to see through that, I present you the best, so that you, how do I say, we will make a film where everybody feels it deserves a national award for your performance. And also it makes it more special because in the last 69 years, no Telugu actor has ever won a national award, and that was in my heart. I was the first actor in 69 years of Telugu films to win a national award, and that will always be a very remarkable achievement for me in my life. And it's priceless, and it happened only because of one man, none other than my director Sukumar Garu. Last 20 years, me and my music director, who's also my childhood friend, we both come from Chennai. And I used to tell him, it's very difficult for me to do a Hindi film, but you as a music director, it's very easy for you to do a Hindi film, why don't you do a Hindi film? And he said, no, whenever I do a Hindi film, why don't you do a Hindi film, and along with you, I'll also do it. I said, how is it possible? I don't know when I'll do a Hindi film, I will never do a Hindi film. Because back in the day, it was extremely hard to do a Hindi film. Genuinely doing a Hindi film was such a huge thing to even aspire for, that we used to have this thing that will we ever do a Hindi film in our life? Maybe in our lifetime we might do one Hindi film. It was that far away for us to do a film. And from that mindset to coming on to this stage, standing here, it's a very, very big thing for me. And my music director, we both hit national award, and we hit a national hit, national super hit album together for the same film. So it is the most priceless thing that could ever happen for in our friendship journey.
And now the world is saying, Allu Arjun sir ke jaisi film karni hai, sir. Of course. Now this is it.
This one poster set the bar for Pushpa 2 to become this phenomenon. And it is purely Sukumar Garu's idea. There's a story behind this. We shot Pushpa 1, a different look. We shot a normal, regular, if he's a rich guy, any of those looks. Can you see that? In like a safari suit, he's got all the bling on, now he's into the next level. We shot that, we finished the photo shoot and it came out well, but Sukumar Garu was feeling uneasy. He's like, not this. I said, what? We finished the entire photo shoot and we're going to release the picture, now you're telling me it's not working? He says, yeah, I want to give a shocker. I said, what shocker? He said, I want you to dress up like a lady. I said, what? What? Are you crazy? Then he explained me what he's looking at and everything, and then we worked around it, and then we did 2, 3 couple of shoots. The first test should fail, the second test should fail, and the third one we got the beat, and then I knew what my genius maverick, Mr. Sukumar Garu was looking at, and that is purely his genius idea.
Quickly, if you have to talk about the Jatra wala 2 ghante ka makeup, of course, talk to us about that, because I know there's a lot of hard work that's gone into it, sir.
I generally don't like to explain we work this hard, that hard. But I can only say one thing for sure, is that by far, for the last 20 years I've been working, it is the most hardest sequence I've ever shot in my entire life. And it takes more than just hard work, effort, patience. It takes something beyond all that. I can't put it in words. And I don't like to explain because I don't want the magic to go. I just want people to experience it for the magic it is more than my hard work.
Right. Okay. We have another one. Of course, sir. We have to talk about this.
पुष्पा कभी झुकेगा नहीं, लेकिन पहली बार आपका प्यार के लिए झुकेगा. Yes, I will do that for Patna for the love that they've showed. Thank you so much, Bihar, for the love that they have shown. It was incredible. It just showed how much beauty is there in this country. That a South actor has got such a tremendous response in the